Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In this pandemic situation, most of the people are losing their job. So if you want to earn money online, or if you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences or skill, this video will be great helpful. So step by step watch this video today. So today I want to share how to earn $1,000 for free using secret Google trick, make money online. Now I want to share how to be a overnight blogger just only for free. So just search www.google. Hey, this is learning and earning tube in every single day to teach you how to make money online. Alright, this is my monthly payment. I mean $2,703.68 USD. But you should mind that if you want to earn like this, you have to follow some tips and tricks at a glance in my video today. So disclaimer is that here results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps, or else results will not be possible. So if you want to earn more or less, you have to follow this video today. So step by step I want to share with you. So 3 steps to earn $1,000 for free using secret Google trick. Step number 1, unveiling the #1 Google tool. You will need to generate cash flow. And number 2, top 3 websites I will share which will pay you just for free. So step number 3, my 1,000 per day autopilot system I will share with you. So step by step. So let's get started. First of all, if you come to this interface, I mean this is the first website I'm sharing with you. This is called moneypantry.com. This is an awesome and pretty cool and very easiest website to start your journey as an article writer. There are 101 websites to connect for starting earning more and more. If you come to this first one, sites that pay you to write about vacation or travel, transitions abroad, $150 per post. So you can choose this website, and this one is second one, and third one is Great Escape Publishing. I mean $50 to $200 per post. So you can start your journey as an article writer. Today I want to share the secret methods how to write your article without any types of previous knowledge or skills or experiences. So if I click on this here, Alaska Airlines magazines, just come to this website, and you have to read the old criteria after coming to these pages, and you can start your journey after reading this. So writing assignments are acknowledged by writing contact Alaska Beyond magazines pays within 30 days of publication. Buying first North American rights with reprint rights, we pay a kill fee of 1/3 the contracted. So this is pretty cool and amazing, I think, just for beginner writers. So price rates begin $150 to $250 for short articles in the journal section, 200 to 600 words. I mean this is very easy. And on the other hand, $150 for business shorts, only just 500 words, $500 for columns, and 1,600 words. And this is the total criteria. You can just look over at a glance or after reading this criteria to start your journey on this platform here. So on the other hand, now I would like to share another websites. This is called the travelblog.com, and there are lots of websites you can look at a glance. And just coming to this website, you can read the total criteria to start your journey as a blogger or as an article writer. And now you have to read this 6 criteria before starting your article writing. Number 1 is clear writing style without affection. Number 2 is a strong sense of the writer's personality. Number 3 is use of the writer's personal experiences. And number 4 is vivid reporting. Number 5 is high literary quality and the accurate use of grammar and syntax. Number 6, this one. So you have to follow these 6 rules to start your article writing. Now in this video I want to share how to write your article easily without any types of previous experiences or knowledge. On the other hand, if I come to this another websites, now you can Horizon Edition magazine. If you come to this website, you will be amazed by reading the total criteria on this platform here. So for a sample copy of Horizon Edition magazine, send a 9-inch into 12-inch self-addressed envelopes with sufficient postage, about $3. So you have to follow these criteria, and this is the earnings process. Rates begin at 1,000 for the region section. A series of short 200 to 500 words news articles and profiles from around the Pacific Northwest. So this is the rates, and travel and community profiles start at $250 and departments run about 1,600 words in land and features. Rates start at $450 for 2,000 to 2,500 words. So this is actually amazing, just for free. Now I would like to share a bonus websites which will be very helpful for you. If you are a beginner or a newbie or a professional article writer, this website will be great helpful. This is called the testbroker.com. You can create account as a content writer or on the other hand as a client, so you can do it easily. And after coming here, you can read the total 3 options. Number 1 is how tax broker works. Number 2 is payment, and number 3 is writing resources. Tax broker offers several payment options. The better your content, the more you can earn. Find out more here. So you can start your another websites, and now I have shared another one. These are lots of websites you can choose from here. Motorhome, $900 per post. So this is an amazing, and if you are a skilled or professional article writer, you can join with this motorhome.com. Travel designations as activities and events are all criteria on this platform. So you can join with this 101 websites easily, just only for free. Now I would like to share how to write your article for free. You have to mind that if you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences or article writing experiences, these tips and tricks only for you. So if you have a Google or Gmail account, just come to this Google Docs and click on this here, and after coming here you have to use this Google Doc and click on this blank and come to this another interface. After coming here, you can use this Google Doc as to write your article for practicing before submitting to your client. So as a freelancer or as a client, you can use this Google Docs usually. On the other hand, you can use this Microsoft Word easily. Now I strongly recommend you to use this Google Docs because there are lots of special characteristics on Google Docs. Now I would like to share this one. If you don't have any typing speed or writing speed, you can use this Google Docs easily. How will you use this one? After coming here, you have to click this this tools and just click on this voice typing. How will you do it? For writing more and more article on this Google Docs here. So just click on this here, and you have to connect with your computer or PC or your mobile phone for writing or voice over. You have to connect your speaker. So just click on this here, and clicking on this here, I have written many types of article on this website. So if you want to earn much more money as an article writer, now you can follow this video step by step today. On the other hand, I strongly recommend you to watch these previous videos from my YouTube channels, and you can earn much more earning from these websites easily. So this is the easiest way to make money online in this pandemic situation. Just great. So click on this here, and it has been created on Google Docs. This is voice typing, I think. So this is the way, easiest way, and if you press the enter button, and you can start another para like this. Today I want to share how to make money online by using Google Docs just for free. If you are wanna make money online, I would like to share another one which is very helpful and very grateful for you. So this is the tips and tricks. So I have created 2 paras on Google Docs easily. You can write any types of articles, whatever you like, or as you can see here, or which you want to make on this Google Docs. And this is the tips and tricks and best tips, I think. So bonus tips, I think. So you can follow this easily. And after coming here, if I share more and more websites to write much more articles on by using this moneypantry.com, you can get it from here. So this video will be great helpful if you want to earn money online as an article writer for any types of websites or blogs or affiliate marketing websites. This is the golden opportunity to write or to make any types of article without any types of or any previous experiences or knowledges. So I have shared at a glance. Now I would like to share another website. This is very professional or forum site. You can answer, or you can get, or you can search any types of answers after coming or signing up on this Quora.com. This is a non-copyrighted platform. You can get any types of answers from here. So if I search on this box here, which sites is the best to earn money online, there are lots of answers on this platform, and this man made $3.8 million swing trading stocks for money. You have to read this one at a glance, and you can get any types of idea, whatever you like or what you want to write on this on your selected topics, and you can get a new idea. And don't do this copy, and you have to read first time, and you can copy this one and put on to your Google Docs, and this one you must edit, and after editing you have to sign up this one on your Google Docs and then submit to your client. This is the secret tips and tips just only for you by using this Quora.com. So finally, I cordially request to use this Quora.com. If you have any questions or if you want to gather any knowledge on the selected topics, this Quora.com will be great helpful.